Hi everyone, this is Cam with the Elevator and Airplane Finder here, and I am back at you guys with yet another model unboxing. Sheesh, it seems like I've gotten so many models this year. I definitely am on a roll with it. Well, I mean, I'm just coming up with a ton of ways to make space at my airport, and if you haven't heard already on the Clock TV channel, I actually just moved. You can probably tell because this airport's in a whole new location. And so the airport, however, is pretty much the same as my old one, although I did alter a couple things, which you will see in a later airport update probably. So this is going to be yet another model unboxing. And this one is a rather special one because we have an Alaska Airlines jet to unbox from NG Models. So you're probably wondering, what made me decide to get this? Well, you know, in June of 2022, I flew Alaska Airlines for the very first time because I went to Alaska for a little family vacation. Well, not really little because we spent like 2 weeks out there. And that inspired me to get a new Alaska Airlines model because I honestly think that Alaska Airlines is really underrated because I think Alaska Airlines is a great airline. The service is phenomenal. Their planes are fantastic, kept in great condition. And overall, Alaska Airlines just provided great flights for our trip to Alaska back in June. So I decided to get a little Alaska Airlines model for my airport because I really only have one model at my airport. It's an A321neo, which I got back in late 2019. But yeah, I mean, enough talking. I think we should probably get into this unboxing because I'm really excited for this one. I unfortunately do not have a very good camera stand, so I have to hold my camera. But with all this said, we're going to get right into this. There's the back of it if you want to read that. I do like this box. It's really nicely themed. So let's get right into this, I guess. And there it is. So, I got a better idea. I'm going to lean my camera up against this, and we are going to go ahead and unbox this right here. Okay, here we go. All right, I got it on the table, so now let's go ahead and bring our attention to this new model. Just take a look at that. Doesn't that just look awesome? This thing is a beauty. Like, actually. It's a 737-900ER, or otherwise known as, if it'll focus, N434AS. This thing is really nice. Wow. Can't believe I just got my hands on one of these. This is a beautiful, beautiful model. And you know, I flew this 737-900ER actually. Not this exact one. It was a different registration, but I flew a 737-900ER on my Seattle to Anchorage flight when I went to Alaska, you know. You've probably already seen the video by now. But yeah, this model is awesome. This will be a great addition to my airport, that's for sure. Well, you'll probably see this in some new airport updates. So I think with all this said, I really like this model overall. 5 out of 5 stars right off the bat. pristine condition. So nice going, NG models. This is awesome model. So I think with all this said, I think that's going to conclude this video. So thank you guys a lot for watching. Your support's much appreciated, and I'm excited to feature this model in future airport updates. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. So with that said, bye everybody.